A mysterious signal echoes from the stars, then vanishes. A few days after that sweltering night in August 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Eman sat in front of a mountain of computer printouts. His task was daunting, manually scanning the data collected by Ohio State University's Big Ear telescope. Amidst the mundane rows of figures, something extraordinary caught his eye. A sequence of alphanumeric characters, 6EQJ5, stood out, denoting a signal intensity far beyond typical background noise. The most intense part, marked by a U, indicated a spike 30 standard deviations above the norm. Surprised and intrigued, Eamon scribbled a single word beside this anomaly: "Wow!" The signal, originating from the constellation Sagittarius, hovered near the frequency of 420 MHz, a marker often associated with hydrogen, the universe's most common element. This frequency had been speculated as a potential interstellar communication channel by pioneering physicists. However, despite its intriguing nature, the WOW signal lasted only 72 seconds, the exact window Big Ear could observe any point due to Earth's rotation. Scientists scrambled for answers, considering everything from space debris reflections to interstellar phenomena. But the signal's singular occurrence and lack of subsequent replication left it a tantalizing mystery. Could it have been a fleeting message from an intelligent source, or was it merely an unexplained cosmic glitch? As the search for answers continued, the WOW signal became a beacon for future exploration, setting the stage for the next chapter in the hunt for extraterrestrial life. A few days after the initial detection, amid stacks of data and printouts, volunteer astronomer Jerry Eman stumbled upon something extraordinary. As his eyes scanned the columns of alphanumeric codes, one sequence caught his attention: 6EQJ5. This peculiar string, charted across the Big Ear's readout, represented an intensity spike that far overshadowed the surrounding noise, a staggering 30 standard deviations above the baseline. In a moment of awe and disbelief, Eman circled the figures and penned the now legendary exclamation: "Wow!" The signal had all the hallmarks of something otherworldly, arriving from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius and adhering precisely to the expected parameters of a deliberate, narrowband transmission. It was a fleeting moment, lasting only 72 seconds, the exact time window the Big Ear could focus on any point as the Earth rotated. Yet, despite the precision and the intrigue it inspired, this tantalizing signal never repeated itself. Eamon's discovery sparked fervent debates and countless hypotheses. Could this have been a deliberate message from a distant civilization lost in the vastness of space? Or was it merely a chance alignment of cosmic noise? As the search for answers continued, one question lingered: would the stars ever speak again? The WOW signal, a fleeting whisper from the cosmos, captured for 72 seconds in 1977, its signature reading 6EQUJ5, etched in the lore of astronomy. Contrary to popular belief, this alphanumeric string wasn't a coded message from the stars, but rather a representation of the signal's intensity. The numbers and letters tell a tale of varying strength, with U marking the peak, a staggering 30 standard deviations above the ambient noise, a crescendo far surpassing typical cosmic chatter. This remarkable intensity was more than just a blip on the radar. It was a beacon that demanded attention. It stood out against the backdrop of space, a narrowband signal confined to a single column on the printout, aligned closely with the hydrogen line frequency. While the exact frequency remains debated, it hovered tantalizingly near the 1420 MHz band, a cosmic frequency recognized as universal by those searching for stellar communication. Yet, despite exhaustive efforts to pin down its origin, the signal has not reappeared. Was it truly a transmission from an intelligent source, or an enigmatic echo of some rare astrophysical phenomenon? The stars had spoken once, but would they speak again, and would we be ready to listen? The mystery endured, urging scientists to probe deeper into the heavens, where each star might hold secrets still untold. The WOW signal's remarkable alignment with the hydrogen line was no mere coincidence. This frequency is significant because it's universally emitted by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the cosmos. Its use as a potential communication frequency was first posited by physicists Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi in 1959. They theorized that any intelligent extraterrestrial civilization attempting to send a signal across the universe might utilize this frequency, knowing it would be recognized by other technological societies. The signal's frequency, falling just 50 kilohertz above the hydrogen line, sparked intriguing speculation. If the source were moving towards Earth at approximately 10 kilometers per second, this slight blue shift would perfectly account for the deviation. Yet, the WOW signal's single fleeting appearance left scientists questioning its true origin. Could this have been a cosmic hello, missed in the blink of an eye? Despite exhaustive searches, the skies have remained silent, leaving the event an isolated anomaly. And so, the question lingers. Was it a mere glitch in the heavens, or a solitary greeting from the stars? As researchers scrutinized the depths of space, they soon turned their gaze to another mystery. Where exactly, in the vast constellation of Sagittarius, did this signal originate? The WOW signal's abrupt appearance and equally sudden departure left the scientific community grappling with an enigma. It spanned the entirety of Big Ear's 72-second observational window, precisely matching the expected time frame for a genuine signal traversing the sky as Earth rotated. Yet this singular occurrence stands as a stark reminder of its mystery. The signal never returned. Astronomers have scoured the same sky section with more advanced equipment, only to find silence where once there was a tantalizing whisper. Numerous theories have been proposed to explain this anomaly. Was it a fleeting signal from an alien civilization, a rare cosmic event, or perhaps a mere terrestrial interference? Despite exhaustive attempts to recreate the conditions of that August night in 1977 and countless hours spent scanning the skies, the signal's source remains elusive. The intensity levels, recorded as 6 EQUJ5, reached unprecedented heights, 30 times above the usual background noise, an anomaly that defies easy explanation. The frequency, intriguingly close to the hydrogen line at 4T20 MHz, only deepens the puzzle, fueling debates about possible extraterrestrial origins. As scientists continue to ponder its origins, another mystery lingers on the horizon. Why, in a universe teeming with signals, does this one stand alone? The WOW signal remains an enigma, its origins still deeply shrouded in mystery. This strong, narrowband radio signal appeared to originate from a specific point in the constellation Sagittarius. Yet despite its apparent extraterrestrial earmarks, no definitive source has ever been identified. Various theories have been proposed over the years to explain this singular event. Some researchers briefly considered the possibility of a reflection off space debris, or perhaps the signal being a result of interstellar scintillation. Others speculated on natural phenomena such as cometary hydrogen clouds, yet none of these explanations have been confirmed or widely accepted. Efforts to locate the signal's source have spurred exhaustive searches, each yielding nothing but silence. The absence of a repeat occurrence further muddies the waters, making any terrestrial or extraterrestrial hypothesis hard to validate. While the notion of an alien transmission captures the imagination, the lack of recurrence weakens this theory significantly. Scientists remain captivated by the potential implications, but the dearth of additional data keeps this signal firmly in the realm of speculation. As the echo of this signal fades into history, we are left wondering if the silence that followed was not an end, but rather the beginning of a dialogue yet to be understood. Perhaps it was this fleeting nature of the WOW signal that set imaginations ablaze. Its elusive origin and short-lived appearance created a fertile ground for speculation and, importantly, a catalyst for continued research into the cosmos. The signal's mystery has fueled a resurgence in the study of extraterrestrial intelligence, inspiring generations of astronomers and enthusiasts alike. SETI researchers have since expanded their search, employing increasingly sophisticated technology to scan the heavens for that one moment of contact, ever hopeful for a reprise of that tantalizing signal. The WOW signal has become a cultural touchstone in the search for extraterrestrial life, referenced in discussions and media as a symbol of the vast unknown, a reminder of the possibilities that lie beyond our earthly confines. While the signal itself has never been explained, it serves as a poignant reminder of our place in the universe. We are left pondering whether we are on the cusp of a monumental discovery, or if the WOW signal was merely a cosmic fluke. As we gaze into the night sky, we must ask ourselves, are we truly alone, or is the universe waiting for us to find the next whisper in the cosmic void?